Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. I'm gonna do a super quick video how you can make money on Clickbank, on CPA marketing, digit store, on expired domains. People that they have a YouTube channel and they have on the description like domain, but it expired, so you can hijack them. And this domain's been there on their YouTube for years, so they don't even know if traffic is already coming on their website. So they're already expired, so you can hijack them for $10. All depends on the domain name. It's like .com, it costs a little bit more. .net, the same. But yeah, let me show you how it works. I just got this software from JVZoo. It's awesome. It's called my Traffic Jacker. So I've been doing this domain expired domains, or whatever you want to call it, for a long time, since 2015. I was using it for this market help. It's like CPA. That's how I started, CPA, with these products, health products, and it was working. I usually was promoting the Kardashians, whitening, what's it called, the whitening tea, something like that, in 2004. I can't even really recall, but it was in 2014, I think, and I was killing it. But right now, they have a lot of offers worldwide. They had it before, but it's been a long time for this company. It's been a long time, since 2009, I think, or 2008. Sorry, excuse me. I just got back from running, a little bit exhausted, but I'm gonna try to make this video quick. So yeah, here's all the offers. This is like you can join for free. I think they don't ask you a lot of questions on this. It's a CPA network. It's awesome. Offers, you can see all the offers right here. It's free and digit store. I just applied to this one. I heard it's better than Clickbank, so I'm gonna test it out. I might test some affiliate offers right here, the marketplace. I have purchased one of these, like on the make money niche services, digital. To be honest, I gotta figure out how it works, but I heard they have a lot of group offers right here. Oh, right here, sorry. Yeah, they have this one. Over 9 millionaires. Oh, I already saw this one. It's awesome. This one is awesome for if you want to learn YouTube AdSense, making videos without showing your face. And this is awesome. I already saw it. It has a lot of information that I didn't know. And yeah, they have a done for you service. Nah, I don't like this one. I already saw it. It's from this one. This guy, don't trust that guy. He's like Ty Lopez. He just showing his lifestyle, what else, screenshots or whatever, or he's making money, but usually he doesn't teach shit how to drive traffic. He just teach you how to bullshit people, I think. Fucking nonsense what's going on right now online. And this is her student. I think it's Ariana or some shit like that. They're on the I don't say nothing, but don't buy this. Usually I will recommend you to buy this one if you really want to make some Google YouTube Google AdSense money. Go with this one. I think he's like 19 right now, but he got those YouTube million views per channel, those gold shit that they give you on YouTube. But I learned He's cool. To mastery and buy this one. I think it's like $500. But yeah, this is the affiliates that I promote right here on Domain Expire. Let me okay, on this one, market health is cool to promote health products like weight loss and everything, like fungus. I think I'm killing on the fungus now. They have it right here, but I gotta look for it. It's been a long time since usually what I do on expired domains. This is a dummy account on my Clickbank account. Usually what I do, let me show you how it works and everything. Let's go and research right here. I just got this one. Usually I was using this one to Snooper. It was 67 cents, $67 per year. But this one, it has a lot of features that I've been seeing that this one doesn't have. To Snooper. But let me show how it works. So let me give you an example. Research, like usually what I do on the expired domains, CPA market. CPA market is the best because usually you don't have to buy nothing. And on Clickbank, they have to buy something. They gotta do their own research, and you know how people are. Sometimes they gotta ask their wife if they're a man, or they gotta do nonsense, a lot of research. So let's go right here, weight loss. Weight loss, and let's go create. And then we're gonna check a lot of expired domains right here. Yeah, I'm new to this. It came out last week on the 14th of June. So I'm kind of new. I'm still trying to figure out how it works. But usually there's a lot of stuff involved that you can do with this expired domains. Like, let me show you right here. What the hell? Yeah, I'm kind of new, so let me try another. How come it didn't came? No target. Oh, so you see in live there. That's what happens when you get a new software. It's gonna give you some problems, some glitches or something. But let me try something new, like research. Let's try to research. I already did this once for CPA. Let's try the training. Yeah, this. Oh, you know what? What I did wrong? I think something wrong. I just figured out. It's because I don't know. It's new to me, this, but usually it came out this one. Let me show you how I did something wrong that I just noticed. They give you credits right here to search. 1 credit per search, but you could do a lot of 1,000 searches. So where is it? Research. Okay, I already got it until now. Yeah, I had this software since last week, but usually I just got the time to test it out, to see all the training videos, because you gotta see all the training videos. Right here was my mistake. Weight loss. Now let's go to doctrine. Or let's go to a name product. Like, let's go right here. Or this one, health. Let's go with, where's the fungus one? It's called, I don't even recall what the name of the fungus product. So let's go with this one. It's called, nah, not this one. Right here you gotta do your research. All you have to do is do your research, and that's it. Good domain. It's been expired, like this one. I think this one is awesome. I think I was killing it on this one. It's a brand name right here. The issue that I was having right here is because I wasn't putting the pages to search. I was just putting one, and it wasn't gonna search a lot. So this is a brand name, so you gotta do like at least two searches per, I hope, or three, so they can find a lot of domain names, a lot of YouTube videos. Like right here it has Wikipedia, BBC. This is more advanced. Forbes, Medium, Quora. This works for SEO, but I'm gonna do another video on that, on SEO works, because it's more like I told you, more advanced. You gotta search for authorities' website, authority pages, backlinking, and if I tell you right now, you're not gonna understand. So let's go search with 3 pages on YouTube on this product, or let's go with 5. Okay, let's check if they have. Let's go with 10. Should I go more in depth, deeper? But let's go with those ones to check if they have. You've seen this on live that I'm not. Like I already have one target link, so you can see that I'm not. That's what I do. I just test. It doesn't work the first time, second time, third, fourth, fifth. I don't give up that easy. Go until the 10, I give up. Like on Facebook ads, I give up. A lot of my accounts being banned, so I gave up. But yeah, usually I'm trying to get a Facebook ad course that I don't get that a lot of ban. Because usually Facebook ads is awesome to promote, because it's so easy to target audience. So easy. It's so freaking easy. Better than Google ads, Bing ads. Hey. But the thing is that they ban your freaking account every time they don't like it. So right here, it says right here, domain available. Check under views. Okay, 92. Just go right here. It has available domains right here. I'm going to see it. These are all domains that have been expired, so you can purchase them. Like this one, it has 7,368 views. Okay, that's it. Let's go to GoDaddy. How much it costs? And domain usually costs like $12 for a year. But let's check it out. How? Yeah, most of these domains, yeah, one a month is for 2 months. Yeah, it's $12. So let's check out if they have like it's not a traffic on this, but usually what I do right here, let me show you how it works right here. How much it costs this domain? Domain appraisal. And GoDaddy appraisal is like how much it costs the domain. Tap it right there. Because usually some domains you can do right here your own research. It takes a couple minutes or hours, all depends on the domain name, on the niche too. And no, it's cheap. No, but usually if it costs sometimes it costs like 1,500, and you can set it right here on Flipper. Some domains you gotta do your own research and search. This is a thing. Right here is researching for domain names. Right here, if you're gonna make money, it's doing a research. You don't have to recruit. That's good. I was involved on BizOps, MLM. It's harsh recording. So let me just go right here, weight loss. You can sell it right here if it costs. If that domain would cost like 2K, if it already had a lot of authority on the website, it will cost like, authority means like on Google, SEO, things that has a lot of traffic. So you don't have to do shit. You don't have to worry about promoting the link. But yeah, there's right here some. You can sell it right here. Like this one, it costs like 20K asking. And just check the listings. Like if you want to buy this domain names, I usually do it for CPM marketing too. Oh, I'm not signed in. I don't even recall my username. But it will tell you all the info right here on this domain name. So you can do your due diligence before buying it. If it's real traffic, bot traffic, software they're using. So do your due diligence first and search. This is more stuff for SEO. So let me go back to, okay, right here. Like let's check this domain name is on Google or on the SEO search terms right here. Just go right here. Or let's go with this. Who is? Yeah, it means that you can buy it right now. It's expired. And right here, Ocean. It's called Ocean's what? Search. Let's check if this domain is on the index on Google. Index means that it's already it's a little bit online, so people like this person might have it on their social networks, like Facebook, Twitter. It's been around for a long time, so that's why it's gaining a lot of traffic. But I don't see it, so it's not. Yeah, I just have it on YouTube. I might have it on another channel, so you could get more traffic from another YouTube channel or another video that they have. But yeah, you gotta do your own research right here. And what else? This is just it's available. But yeah, this works, people. I've been doing this since 2015, I think, by using this software. Tube Snooper, I think I'm testing this one. I think it's better than this one. It has a lot of features for backlinking. It's more advanced. Like, I'm not gonna do a video about this because you guys gonna get confused. So yeah, backlinking is like you can promote on Quora too, I think. Okay, where it go? Right here. Is right here. Get research on Quora and get backlinks from Quora. Buy those domain names so your YouTube or website get ranking more faster on Google, Bing, or whatever SEO. But that's another topic. I don't want to get you confused. So yeah, you can get at least $100 or more. All depends on the research. This is my test account on Clickbank. But yeah, it's awesome. Just try it. If you want it, let me know. And if you want this software, let me know because the price is going up. It launched on the 14th, I think, of June. So let me know. And comment below if you want a free Clickbank training course. Not for me, for one of my business partners. For my business partners that costs a lot of money. So let me know. I'm just going to give it to a couple of people, alright? Just like and comment or share it or whatever, alright? Thanks for watching this quick video. See ya. Peace.